Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my brand new Illustrator tutorial. Today we are going to create this. So without any further ado, open Illustrator and create a new artboard. I will break my tutorial into 4 steps. In the first step, we can create some text. And go to the text tool and type the text where do you want. I am using the font Myriad Pro. You can download this font in the description area for free. Now pressing the Alt key or Option key and drag it little bit. And go to the text tool and rename the text to design. And go to the character menu and change this value to change the distance between two words. I am using the value maybe 1000. You can choose your own value. And go to the Align tab. If you don't see the Align tab, go to the Windows and check the Align option. And make sure check the Align to Artboard. And adjust the size little bit. And you can download all the file in the description area for free. And select the design text and lock it. Go to the object and lock selection, or you can use shortcut key Ctrl 2 or Command 2 on a Mac. And go to the View tab and press the ruler key and adjust the ruler where do you want. And go to the pen tool and draw the path, something like this. And we do not want this ruler. Now select those ruler by pressing delete key to delete them. And now select the logo layer and light the color so we can easily see the path. Now look at this, I am not complete the O path. The pen tool is not create a proper path by both sides. And now copy the path by pressing Ctrl C or Command C on a Mac. And press Ctrl F or Command F to paste in front. And right click it. And go to the transform, reflect. And vertical reflection is good. And press OK. Now it's look much more better. And select the path and drag it little bit by pressing Alt key or Option key in a Mac. And unlock all the layer. Now delete the text layer. And now look at this, our path is ready. And now select the design layer without any disturbance. Lock the layer. Our first step is ready. Now jump into the second step. And go to the ellipse tool and create a circle by pressing Alt key and Option key and change the color. And go to the gradient properties. If you don't see, go to the Windows and check the gradient. And now drag this color and delete this pink color because we don't want. And make sure yellow color is 100% opacity. And drag this little icon here little bit across the yellow color and create a copy of a circle by Alt and Shift key. And now select the both circle, go to the object, blend, then make it. To select the blend tool by pressing W key and double click it the blend tool. Now select the specific step and change the value. I am going with 8 number. You can choose your own value and press OK. And go to the rectangular tool by pressing M key and create a rectangle according to the artboard size and right click it and go to arrange, bring to back, and now change the color. And now our second step is ready. Jump into the third step and before using this circle create a copy Now select these circles and select the L path and go to the object menu and blend and click replace to spin. And now look at this, it's look pretty cool. And doing the same step all path, something like this. And now our logo is ready. And now the background is quite disturbance to me. Select the background and lock the background layer. And adjust it little bit. And go to the object and unlock all the layer. And now select the design layer and go to the object and expand it. And align it to the center. And press I to open up the eyedropper tool and pick the color where do you want. And I am going with this yellow color. Now look at this, the O is not looking well. Now adjust this little ball. And now delete this O layer and select other the O layer and drag it little bit by pressing Alt and Shift key. And now it's not look good to me. Right click it and go to the transform and go to reflect, and vertical reflection is good and press OK. And select the L path and go to the object and blend and select the reverse spin and adjust the blend copies by double clicking on a blend tool. Adjust the copy and I think 5 looks good. And now our third step is ready. Jump into the fourth step and adjust it little bit and drag this image something like this. Now select the logo layer and copy the layer and press Ctrl F or Command F to paste in front and go to the transform menu. If you don't see the transform menu, go to the windows and check the transform. And now select the texture image and press Ctrl X to cut the image and select this dark transform area here and press Ctrl V to paste it. And zoom it little bit so you can see the texture. And now our logo is ready. And go to the last step, go to the ellipse tool by pressing L key and create a circle something like this, and go to the eyedropper tool and change the color. I am going with this yellow color and adjust the size little bit, and go to the rectangular tool and create a new rectangle and select the both layer and go to object, clipping mask and make it. And now it looks something like this. And hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, share and subscribe to get more and more videos.